Ever found an old photo you loved only to realize it's way too blurry to use? Or download a cool image but wished you could remove the background in just one click? Well, today I've got something seriously useful for you, introducing HitPaw FotorPea, an all-in-one AI photo editor that's smart, simple and super powerful. First up, download FotorPea from the link in the video description below. They are offering 50% discount right now, so grab it. After installing it on your PC or laptop, open it up and this is the interface you will see. The interface is very simple and easy to use. There are multiple AI tools here. You can try them all. I think you should try them all. But now let's start with the Enhance Photo option. Click here to get started. On the right, you will see 10 different AI models, each designed for specific type of photos. Let's walk through them. Now let's import a photo. You can just drag and drop your image or click on the plus icon to browse your files. I'm using a blurry low-resolution photo of mine. You can see it's just 500 pixels wide. You can zoom in or zoom out using your mouse scroll wheel. As you can see, it's pixelated and lacks detail. To fix this, we will start with the face model, perfect for portraits. Just hover over each mode and a small pop-up window appears, explaining exactly what it does. That's super helpful. It gives you a quick idea of which mode fits your image best. I'm choosing the soft version 2 mode, but feel free to try the others. And then the next, upscale. This lets you enlarge your photo up to 8 times. This is huge. I'm going with 4x and choosing high quality for the best output. Now hit the preview button and done. Look at this. You can change the before and after preview by clicking on this icon and look at this. Look at the difference. It brings back details like magic. If you are happy with it, just click export and your enhanced image is saved. Easy. Now let's try the denoise feature on a new photo. Look at this photo. This photo was taken at night and looks grainy because of the high ISO. So to fix this, just active the denoise model and I am selecting realistic denoise. Hit apply and boom. The grain is gone, but the details are preserved. That's clean. Here is the before and after. And this time, I'm going to use a totally misfocused blurry photo. Let's see how FotorPea can handle it. Just look at this photo. It's totally blurry. So now active Sharpen mode. And this is where HitPaw FotorPea really stand out. The uniqueness of this AI is it comes with 3 dedicated modes for different types of blur: lens blur, motion blur, and compression blur. I'm using the lens blur repair option for this photo. And look at the detail it brings back. Look at the difference before and after. It's honestly one of my favorite tools in this software. This is really great improvement. I also tried their other AI models like animation model, colorize and others, and they all work surprisingly well. Now let's explore another part of the software, the toolbox on the left side of the homepage. It's packed with AI powered tools and they all are very useful. But let's try one that's super useful for content creators, background removal. Just click it, upload your image, and the AI instantly analyzes and removes the background. And look at this. It's so accurate. If you want to tweak it, you can use the brush or eraser tool to adjust any parts, but honestly, it's so good I didn't need to. And now you can import your own background or pick from their built-in templates. They have a huge collections. Let's go with this one. Looks pretty perfect. They also have a create ID photo option which lets you easily make professional passport photo or ID photos. It comes with preset size for different countries, which is super helpful. No need to remember the dimensions yourself. Of course, I don't think this bud needs an ID photo, but you probably will at some point, so definitely give it a shot. By the way, HitPaw FotorPea also supports batch editing, meaning you can enhance photos or remove background from multiple photos and export them with just one click. A huge time saver. HitPaw FotorPea is different from others because it's beginner friendly, it's easy to use, and the interface is really user friendly. It's fast and smart thanks to their powerful AI, and it covers everything: enhance photos, upscale photos, remove background, remove noise, fix old photos, restoration photos, remove scratch, everything, and it's huge. So that's it for today. If this video helped, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.